brew day, my 15th one, my third brew day since I got the claw hammer 110 volt 10.5 gallon system. Swig of Sunbeams. So it's kind of, I guess, paying, it's getting the summer, the official, getting official summer started off here. So I'm going to dough in. It's a 14.25 pound grain bill. Started with just a little bit more than 5 gallons of water. Nice. I'm gonna mash this for an hour at 154 degrees. There she goes. Give this a good mix in. It's nice that I have this 110 now. I was using a 240 volt and everything was restricted, being indoors, limited space. Now with the 110, I go out in the garage. It's going to be a nice day here in Maryland, and I'll just sit out here and do my brew. Again, Swig of Sunbeams, the kit I got off Northern Brewer. Make sure I get all these lumps out. Get my lid on. Turn my pump on. A little restart here. If you've never seen it, I imagine most people have seen the claw hammer now. Again, this is only the third time I've used it. Getting used to it. Got it to where I just feel more comfortable in using it. So again, we start an hour. On mash at 154 degrees. The mashing is done. I made a mistake earlier, so I did mash at 152 for 60 minutes, and then I did a 170 mash out for 10. So I'm just draining it now. I sparged a little bit, waiting for that drain. I check my pre-boil level, see if I'm good. Try to get a sample of this pre-boil OG, and start heating up, get my boil ready. All right, we're at a boil. So, getting ready to add my first hop addition, the bittering addition. Here is just 1 ounce of Columbus. Get things sanitized here. Pretty easy deal. 1 ounce of Columbus. And I will not be adding anything again until 15 minutes remaining. And then I'll do an ounce of Citra. I'm also going to do yeast nutrient and a Warfluck tablet. But 15 minutes remaining, an ounce of Citra. Then at 10 minutes remaining, a pound of corn sugar. And at 0 minutes, I have a little hop stand of some Citra. Anyway, we'll keep it going, 60 minutes. Okay, now for the 15-minute hop addition, which is 1 ounce of Citra, which will sit, I got another 5 minutes. I will be adding, in 5 minutes, with 10 minutes left, I will be adding my corn sugar, Warfluck, and nutrients, yeast nutrients, in 5 minutes. There we are. I got 10 minutes left in my boil. Throw in that Warfluck tablet. Gonna get some yeast nutrient here. Dump that in, and I need to add my corn sugar. Which I'll stir in. Which I'll stir while I pour in. I don't know if I can't remember if I said or not, but my pre-boil was 1.050. We're looking for a starting of a 1.074. Hopefully between the boil and the sugar we're adding here, we'll get up to that, close to it. Alright, and the next addition will be made at flame out, where I throw in 4 more ounces of these Citra hops and let that stand for 10 minutes. Alright, final hop addition. Turn the heat off. Be doing a 10-minute hop stand. I have 4 ounces of Citra. It's a 10-minute hop stand. I will do a whirlpool. I liked the results of it the last time I did one, so I'm definitely going to do a whirlpool here before I send it through the plate chiller and cool it down. Okay, so of course, what's brew day without issues? I had issues with my plate chiller, so I want to just go ahead and handle that without messing too much with the video. But I'm able to start pitching my yeast. Again, I made a yeast starter. Make sure my little magni don't pull out. Alright, I got a little magnet on the bottom holding it in place. Of course, what I say doesn't count. There it is. I like to use a little magnet and hold it in the back side to keep that thing inside there from falling out. But it's now pitched, ready to go. I'm really disappointed in the starting gravity. It's only 1.056. I'm way off. Not sure why, but I'm off. It should be a 1.074. Obviously, I'm disappointed. I mean, I think I know why. It has to deal with how much water I added, and I didn't let enough boil off. So, whatever. It's what it is. Swig of Sunbeam. Now we just sit back and wait for the yeast to do its job.